between 1 to 20. 15, number 15. How about the second number? 18. Guys, sorry guys, hindi na pwede double digit number. How about another number? 7. Double digit number level. Another number. 10. So our equation is 15 plus 10. Now before we call our great mathematician, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. When the numbers have been shuffled, let's call our great mathematician, Snow. There we go. So once again, I'm looking at Snow. So the the time signature under it is no longer review. Alright, now our equation is 15 plus 10. Okay, so is Snow ready? Alright, now please solve the equation for us. There goes. Now please solve the first number, number 2. Is the first number correct? I'm not really sure. Is the first number correct? Alright, now complete your answer please up to the second number. There you go. 15 plus 10 equals to 25. A round of applause for our great